What's up, Trinity TV friends and family? I'm going to show you guys how to retwist and instant lock on 4C hair right now. And all you'll need for this will be, just as usual, to retwist a comb and some sort of either braiding gel, lock gel. For this, I used a pomade, something a little thicker for coarser hair. So first you'll take that comb and you'll want to smooth out from the root to the lock. You'll only need to twist about once or twice. And this excess hair that's left over, we're going to use the wrapping method. So we're just going to take that extra hair, pull it out, and wrap it out and down the lock. And use that excess braiding gel or pomade or whatever you use to do the retwist. Use that as well as you're twisting to reinforce that hair to stick to the rest of the lock, to look smoother, nicer, cleaner finish. And if you just leave this as is, it would look nice, but it would even look better if you take that crochet needle and go ahead and instant lock it. That way it will make sure it will not unravel as soon as this hair hits water. It's not going to go anywhere. So you're going to use this method right here. You see this motion that I'm using with my fingers. What you're doing with the crochet needle is you're using the needle to intentionally tangle the hairs that are on the outside of the lock into the lock, into the middle of the lock. So you're intentionally tangling it and you're reinforcing the uniformity of the lock by twisting it with your fingers and smoothing it out. So that's how you get that uniform, nice, mature lock look. Just readjusting my camera a little bit so you guys can see, but you might want to go through a couple of times with the needle and then twist. So as you'll see, I'll poke it a few times, pull a few strands through about 3 or 4 times, and then I'll reinforce with the twist in my fingers. And do that all the way down the lock as far as you need to get that nice uniform look of a mature lock. As you see, it's already looking way smoother than it did when we first started. And so I'm going to show you one more time on another lock, just in real time. Same thing all over again. Just retwist the root. You don't want to crochet anywhere near the root because you can rip hair out that way. Use the wrapping method, and a little further down from the root, we're going to go ahead and start our instant locking process the same way. Like we said, take that needle, tighten it up all the way down until it looks how you want it to look. And that's how we got his hair looking nice from this to this. I hope you enjoyed.